Hi, welcome to Jmeter tutorials. Okay, today we are going to discuss assertions. So in this lesson, you will learn XPath assertion. How to write XPath assertion in Jmeter. See, I have added test plan and renamed as a software testing. So added thread groups and renamed as VU users. Simply here I am putting number of threads. Users is 1 and the ramp up period is in 2 seconds and loop count is a 1. We are not using any schedulers. Okay. So here I am using HTTP request defaults. So if you click on right click, config element, request defaults. So what it will do? Here what are the server name or IP address you want to mention here? You can mention here. What number you want to mention, you can mention. So why we are using this request default? If you are mentioning one time in every request, no need of mentioning here. Okay, it will automatically take the details from here. That's why we are using this request default details. So if I remove this one, it will take it this server IP from server name and what are the defaults we are giving. Okay, so this is our same. Coming to assertion, see, if you click on this one, right click, assertion, add XPath assertion. Here it is having different bean shell, BSF, compare, assertion, duration, HTML, okay, JSON path. So like this response assertion, different size, different assertion. So we are discussing XPath assertion. Okay, in XPath assertion, see, so I have used double quotation, backward slash, okay, head, title, text is a Selenium tutorials. So why I have written this one? See, and added assertion result. You can simply add from listeners. Okay, listeners you will say assertion result, where it will display whether assertion one assertion is passed or failed. It will display the result. You can see the result here. So I have added listener summary report and view result tree. Okay, let me run this one. I will explain how I have created this one. Okay, if you run this one, let me save, run. See, I have given STR. Okay, let me HTML. Okay, and XPath is a HTML. XPath Assertion is a use TD tolerance. Okay, tutorials. See here, why I have taken some error is coming through errors. Okay, let me clear this one. Response code is 404, that's why it is not giving any response properly. Okay, let me go to static. Okay, let me use, we will use this one. Let's take it, what will happen. Okay, if you run this one, see, Selenium, it is passed. Okay, this failed means software QTP tutorial HTML response data is so it is compulsory. Now for this one it is compulsory, it is taking. I think it's not not required. See, XPath assertion is written double black head title text Selenium tutorial. This is a title name of that particular page. I need to verify using XPath assertion. Okay, see here in Selenium tutorials, if you go here, you find starting with head. Okay, doc type HTML, the head will be start from here, and where in head it is showing as a title Selenium tutorials. Okay, so I want to verify this title, that is Selenium tutorial text. If you use this one, double slash head title single slash, okay, backslash text which you want to verify Selenium tutorials. So here I am giving for HTTP request. This is a HTTP request, so we are using for web application. Okay, so So like this you can use. If you remove this one, it will provide you error. Say why? Because this one is coming from head section. It is displayed in head section, starting from head. After that meta content, then it is giving link, then it is giving as a title. Sorry, title. So that's why I'm using head title text equal to Selenium tutorials. In assertion result it will show Selenium tutorials. See, I'm expecting a Selenium tutorials. In assertion result it is showing Selenium tutorial, means what are the assertion it is giving. If you click on valid, it will provide the XPath expression. It is valid or invalid. You can check as true if nothing is matches. If you click on this, select this one, it will verify this one. In case it is not matching with this page, then also assertion will pass, means your HTTP samples will get passed. But we have to check proper HTTP response in view result tree, so that you can know that your test is passed. Okay, this is a XPath assertion. In case you are using single, so double quotation exact path it will give. If you are using single, it will find this text of title wherever the in web page it is exist. Okay, let me run this one. Clear, save, run. It is passed, it is failed. Why it is failed? Let me see. No nodes matches head title text Selenium tutorials. Okay, that's why you have to go for double slash. If you run this one, clear, save, click, it is passed. See, it is passed. Response message is okay. Response code is 200. Request is your URL. We are using get property. See, here using get method. So we are not posting anything. We are getting the data of particular HTML page. Okay, it will display response. Block type HTML. Okay, title is a Selenium tutorials. Okay, like this you need to add XPath assertion to verify proper request coming actually giving proper response or not as per the request and the response. Sample result is a response code is 200, response message is okay. You can see what are the assertion you are giving, whether it is proper data is giving or not. Selenium tutorials. Okay, see, let me remove this one. What assertion result will provide you? If you clear this one, save and run. See, here it will give you error Selenium tutorial. Actually it is here. There is a XPath assertion is no nodes matches head title text Selenium tutorial. So that's why you need to use double backslash. Then only it will run your text successfully. What is the performance that you want to do? You can do provide number of sample 5, loop on 2 or 3 something. Then if you run this one, it will display number of samples. Response code 200, request. Okay, in XPath assertion we are saying here applying to main sample and subsample. If it is having subsamples, means here I am adding one more. Sorry, from here, so we are adding any sampler under this HTTP request, then you can select as a main. Sorry, here sub samples only. If you want to check, you have a 2 samples. Suppose we are using transaction controller where we are using number of samples, which is a nested sample for transaction controllers. At that time you can use main samples and subsample. It will display, it will check both. If you want, here you am checking only main samples. This is a main sample. So if you use subsample only, it will check for subs. It is having, if it is having any samples, it will check this one. Otherwise, it will not check. It will fail your request. Whether is a response is a 200, then also it will fail. Why? Because if you are using sub samples only. Now I'm checking with main samples. That's why I'm checking main samples only. Okay, like this you can use XPath Assertion. In XPath Assertion you can use for SOAP. Okay, REST API, which is for JSON. Okay, REST SOAP you can use, REST API we can use. In coming classes we will see how to use these assertions for SOAP web services and REST API services to verify performance of the proper WSDL file and REST API. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching my videos. Please provide your feedback on this video. Yeah, thank you.